In 2022, the world was stunned when the massive cargo vessel Felicity Ace, carrying hundreds of luxury supercars from Lamborghini, Porsche, Bentley, and more, caught fire and sank into the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. Machines of speed and engineering brilliance worth hundreds of millions vanished into the silent darkness beneath thousands of meters of water, leaving behind a haunting mystery. Today we embark on a rare journey, a cinematic dive into the deep sea, descending into the resting place of this colossal shipwreck. In the glow of a diver's flashlight, through drifting silt and shadows, you will witness Lamborghinis overtaken by marine growth, Porsche 911s slowly dissolving into rust, and entire cargo bays twisted open by fire and water pressure. This journey isn't just exploration, it's emotion. Awe at the ocean's unforgiving power. Melancholy as we observe masterpieces of engineering frozen in time. And a humbling sense of insignificance as we approach a metal graveyard sprawled across the seafloor. You will hear your own breath echo inside the helmet, mixed with the deep hum of the ocean. You will feel the eerie calm of navigating through the lifeless hallways of the sunken vessel, like walking through a locked vault of forgotten stories. Each sweep of light reveals a fragment of the past. Warped steering wheels, cracked frames, paint eroded into pale ghosts of speed. Every shadow hides a secret. Every compartment tells a silent chapter of the disaster. Prepare yourself. We're descending into a world where metal meets silence, where supercars once built for roaring highways now rest in eternal stillness. This is a true underwater supercar graveyard, and you are the diver uncovering it.